In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the country on Vinted. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon and then click the settings. Now, what will happen is you will be forwarded to your profile details. And for you to change the country, it's super simple. Hover down to the location, and then there is a drop-down menu beside that. If you click on it, you will see this is going to be the list of countries you can choose if you wanted to change from your current country. For example, I am using United States right now, and if you wanted to change it to maybe Denmark, I can do that. Of course, I need to select a city in Denmark, for example, Copenhagen. And then if you wanted to show the city in your profile, you can do so. But if you don't want it, it's okay. And matter of fact, since you have changed the country, you might want to change the language itself, if that's okay. Once you are happy with that, all I have to do is super simple, click the update profile. Now, here you would notice that it gives you a simple warning that you cannot change to a different country. Alright? Now, why is it that? Let me tell you that Vinted as of the moment does not allow changing your country once the account is created. Your country is locked because it's tied to the shipping options, payment methods, and local regulations. Alright? Now, if by any chance you move to another country, that's the reason why you wanted to change the country itself, okay? All I have to do is log out of your current account and of course, sign up again here in Vinted. Matter of fact, we have a separate video on how to create an account here in Vinted that you might want to check on our channel. And of course, if you choose to create a new account, select a new country during registration, and of course, use a local phone number and address. Now, I don't recommend using a VPN because that won't change your country. It would just change your IP address. Okay? So basically, that's it for today's video. And before I leave, you can also go to the help center here at the bottom. Okay? Because the help center gives you the ability to type in your questions, especially if you wanted to submit a request explaining your move to a different country. Alright? And of course, they'll be more than glad to help you fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.